Hi, thank you for joining me. This Kriya set that we're going to do today is really good for healing from the womb and the first early part of life. What it's also going to do is remind us, help us to remember that we are dreaming our lives and that we can imagine the type of life we want and live it. So this Kriya is going to move us completely out of the victim mentality and into that of the creator. Bring your hands up. Your elbows are going to be tucked into your sides. Remember to have a correct posture, meaning bringing the anal muscle up slightly, so clenching that anal muscle. We're going to raise the diaphragm, navel point to the spine, nice straight spine, pelvis is tilted forward slightly. Bringing the elbows next to the sides, hands up in a flower pose. The hands are going to make a flower pose. The wrists are bent slightly at a 45-degree angle. We're going to inhale for 3-part breath. So it's through the mouth, exhaling through the nose. Close your eyes, gaze at the third eye. Let's begin. The inhale and the exhale are of equal parts. Now begin circling the forearms only. Keep the wrists in place and maintain the mudra, the in and out breath. But what I want you to do is make sure that you move your arms as fast as they can go. Good. Now bring your hands up so that they're 6 to 9 inches away from your ears. The hands are facing forward. You're looking through closed eyes at the tip of your nose, and you're going to close the forefingers down on the inhale and open them up on the exhale. Your thumbs are projecting towards your body. Let's go. Don't forget to gaze at the tip of your nose through closed eyes. Your eyes remain closed. You're gazing at the tip of your nose. You have a nice, strong mulband lock, meaning your navel point is pulled into your spine, your diaphragm is lifted, you are contracting the abdominal muscles. It's a bit of a workout for your lower part of your body. The first 3 chakras are being engaged here. You are maintaining an erect spine, breathing in and out through your nose only. Imagine yourself in the womb of your mother. Be in the womb. Feel the softness, the water. Allow yourself to be in that womb. From inside the womb of your mother, you can see the skin of the belly. You can see the world inside the womb. Know that in this womb, you are not only a developing body, you are also the light, your light of being. You're here to emerge into the world amongst all the lights of beings, the 7 billion lights of beings in the world. You're in the womb and you're there as the light, and you know that you have work to do. You know that you have made your soul contracts. You have a blueprint. There is an absoluteness about your life. There's no not good enough. There's only the light and the fullness and the wholeness and the completeness of who you truly are. And lower your hands down. Nice deep inhale, suspend the breath, exhale. Now completely relax. We're going to put our hands on our lap. Women, left hand in the right, men, right hand in the left. Close the eyes. Gaze at the third eye. Breathing in and out through the nose. Nice, strong posture, heart open. Relax completely. Gazing at the third eye, point between the eyebrows. Here you are, nothing to prove, in your full light, a light that is always present. It's absolute. You never ever diminish it. Sometimes we just have layers. We have layers in life that try to dim our light, but the point is that we release these layers. We let these layers go. Allow yourself now, give yourself that permission to just let it all go. Let the bliss, the joy that you are, that you're connected to, always, in every moment, let that be present in every cell, in every aspect of life, in every part of the world, which is also the self with a capital S. Relax. And take a nice inhale in. Suspend. Pull the navel point to the spine. Squeeze the anal muscle and allow that Kundalini energy to raise up. And exhale down. And when you're ready, open your eyes. So if you enjoyed this, please share with a friend or a family member. And I'll see you next week. Bye for now.